today we have a brand new YouTube video for you. You wonder what it's about? It's about James I relationship with Shakespeare. Hashtag Big Willie Shakespeare. Shaky. Boom. Smash that subscribe button, comment down below, and join the notification squad. Peace out.
To be or not to be? That is the question.
I must say, darling, very splendid. Oh, that was amazing. Toodaloo.
7 years later.
So, Jimmy boy, that was a good bet. How did you like it?
That was great. So happy I saw that. Do you have any other thoughts?
Not at the moment, but I think I'll work on something in the future. Please.
For now.
Yay. Have you just been filming that awkward little, snippet?